Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can redeem a promotional coupon code on your Xbox Game Pass. This will of course be on your Windows. Simply what you'll have to do is, first of all, you'll have to open Xbox. You can just go to your search right here, and here you will search Xbox. Once you open Xbox, this is the screen you're going to see. You're going to see your profile. From here you will go on the left icon where you can see your profile icon and you can see your username, and you will press on that. Once you press on that, you will go to settings, and once you've pressed your settings, you will see all of your profile details and everything else right here. And as you can see right here, it's giving you the option to redeem a code. Now simply you will just press on redeem a code, and after that it will give you the option to enter the code that you want to redeem. And if they give you any prompt, you will fill that prompt as well, and after that the code would be redeemed and it would be added to your Xbox Game Pass, and you will be able to use it in Xbox. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.